To become a DoorDash Dasher, you need to meet specific requirements and have the right equipment. Let's walk through everything you need to get started. First, you must be at least 18 years old with a valid driver's license. You'll need to pass a background check, which typically takes 5 to 7 business days, and provide your vehicle registration and insurance documentation. Next, you'll need essential equipment to start dashing. This includes your smartphone with the DoorDash app, an insulated delivery bag, a phone mount for your vehicle, and a portable charger. DoorDash provides an insulated delivery bag to keep food at the proper temperature during deliveries. This bright orange bag is essential for maintaining food quality. A phone mount is crucial for safe navigation while driving. Mount your phone securely on your dashboard to easily view the DoorDash app and GPS directions. A portable phone charger or power bank ensures your phone stays charged during long dashing sessions. Many car mounts also include wireless charging capabilities. Once you're approved and have your equipment, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the DoorDash app dashboard. The main screen contains several key features for managing your dashing. The app shows hotspots in red on the map. These are areas with high order volume where you're more likely to receive delivery requests. The dashboard includes 4 main features: Dash Now to start working immediately or schedule shifts, an earnings summary for real-time income tracking, the hotspots map to find busy areas, and an order queue showing incoming delivery requests. When you're online and ready to dash, the app will display "Looking for orders" and continue showing hotspot areas. The blue circle indicates your current location, and you'll receive notifications when orders become available in your area. With these requirements met, equipment ready, and understanding of the app dashboard, you're prepared to start your journey as a DoorDash Dasher. The next step is learning how to navigate orders and optimize your performance. When a delivery order becomes available, the DoorDash app displays critical information you need to make a quick decision. You have only 30 to 45 seconds to decide whether to accept or decline each order. This time pressure requires quick evaluation of the offer's profitability. Once you accept an order, the app guides you through a structured delivery process with clear navigation and confirmation steps. DoorDash tracks several key performance metrics that directly impact your ability to continue dashing and your overall success on the platform. The app provides detailed earnings tracking, showing your daily, weekly, and monthly performance with real-time updates after each completed delivery. To maximize your earnings as a Dasher, focus on strategic timing, location selection, and maintaining excellent customer service standards.